Hi children, I hope all are safe and secure at your home. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Flolit Jose and this year I will teach you science. In this present scenario, you can't come to our school. So, you always stay in your home, but at the same time you need to study our academics. Okay, so in this year also we will follow Bubbles textbook. This is an integrated one. So, let us start our lesson 1. The lesson name is Plants Growing in Number. From this name itself, we can understand what is the content of this chapter. This chapter something related to growth of a plant. Okay, look here all of you. What is this? This is a baby plant and this baby plant grow from this. What is this? This is a seed. So, this baby plant grow from the seed. So, in this chapter we will learn how does a plant grow from the seed. Okay. First, while you are eating fruits like mango, you get one hard thing inside the fruit. What is that hard thing? What is that? Do you know? That is seed of that fruit. Okay, this one. This is the seed of a mango fruit. Then, what is seed actually? Seed is a hard structure present inside the fruit. Okay, so what is seed? Seed is a hard structure present inside the fruit. Okay, seed. First we need to study what is seed. It is a hard structure present inside the fruit. So children, what is seed? It is a hard structure present inside the fruit and the plants produce many number of seeds, but all the seeds will not germinate to form a plant. Why? Do you know why? Because some seeds eaten by the animals and some seeds destroyed by rain, wind and all. And some seeds they didn't get suitable conditions for germination. Okay, so these are the reason why all the seeds are not germinate. Okay, so next we are going to study the structure of seed. Structure of a seed. Do you want to know what is the structure of the seed? Okay. First, we can see this hard portion. This is the outer part of the seed. So, that outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. So, first we will study outer part of the seed. Okay. Seed coat. What is seed coat? Thick outer part of the seed. Thick outer part of the seed. Thick outer part. Okay. So, seed coat is the thick outer part of the seed. Okay. This is the seed coat, thick outer part. Then we can see a small portion on one side of the seed. That portion is called scar. That portion is called scar. So, scar also we can see outer part of the seed. Scar. Then, what is the function of this scar? Do you know? It helps to attach the seed inside the fruit helps to attach the seed into the fruit. That is the function of this scar. Okay. Then next we can see here a tiny hole. Tiny hole we can see. And function of this tiny hole, it allows the water enter into the seed. It allows the water enter into the seed. Okay, these are the outer part of the seed we can see. What are they? Seed coat, that is the thick outer covering of the seed. Okay, this one. Then we can see scar. Scar we can see one side of the seed, and its main function is to help to attach the seed into the fruit. Next we can see tiny holes at the top of this portion, we can see top of the scar. It allows the water to enter into the seed. Okay, I hope all of you understood the outer part of the seed. Next we are going to study inner part of the seed. While we are open the seed, we can see a fleshy part inside the seed. Do you know what is that part? That part is called seed leaves or cotyledons. We can see inner part of the seed. Seed leaves or cotyledons. Okay. So, while we are split the seed into two, we can see a fleshy part inside. That fleshy part is called seed leaves or cotyledons. Okay. Then, what is the function of these cotyledons? Do you know? It stores food. It stores food for the baby plant. So, function of this cotyledon is storage of food. Okay. So, we can see inside a fleshy part. That part is called cotyledons, and its main function is storage of food, and also it protects inner part of the seed. It protects an embryo. Okay. So, I hope all of you understood what is seed leaves or cotyledons. Then, some seeds we can split into two equal parts, but some seeds we can't open into two equal parts. Based on these, seeds are divided into two, which are they? Monocot seed and dicot seed. Which are they? Monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Okay. So, monocot seeds means we can split the seed, we can't split the seed into two equal parts. Okay. So, monocot seeds means we can't split the seeds into two equal parts. Example, rice, wheat and all, we can't split the seed into two equal parts. But in dicot seeds, di means two. Okay, so we can split the seed into two equal parts. Example, peanut. You already know peanut. If we can open these seeds, we can open. Okay, so inner side of the seed we can see cotyledons. The main function is storage of food and also it protects the inner part of the seed. Inner part we can see embryo. Next we are going to study what is embryo. Embryo or it is called baby plant. Okay, embryo is also called baby plant. It is, we can see inside the cotyledons. Okay, we can see this embryo inside the cotyledons and embryo where we can see inside the cotyledons. Okay, and this is a baby plant, so it has two parts, very minute two parts also there. I will show you, I will draw. This two part is cotyledon, this two part, and inside the cotyledons we can see embryo. And in embryo, there are two parts are there. Which are they? Baby root and baby shoot. This region, this is the part we can see baby root or it is called radicle. Later, this radicle will grow into the soil and form tiny roots. And here we can see baby shoot or it is called plumule. And this plumule later will grow into shoot, into the shoot of a plant. Okay, so embryo we can see inside the cotyledons. It has minute two parts are there. They are plumule and radicle. Okay. So, these are the structure of the seed. First we studied outer part of the seed. Outer part of the seed we can see seed coat. It's a thick covering of the seed and it protects the inner part of the seed. Then we can see at the one side of the seed scar. It attaches the seed into the fruit. And next we can see at the top of the scar tiny hole we can see that help us to enter the water into the seed. Okay, then inner part we can see cotyledons, these are seed leaves. These cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Okay, then inside the cotyledons we can see minute structure we can see that is embryo or baby plant and this embryo has two parts, they are baby root or baby shoot. It is called radicle and plumule. Okay. I hope all of you understood the structure of the seed. Okay, then next we are going to study germination of seed. Germination of seed. Do you know what you mean by germination? I will show you. Look here. This baby plant grow from the seed. So, we can say what is germination? The process by which the seed grow into a plant is called germination. So, next we will learn what is germination of a seed. Okay. So, germination means it is the process by which seed grow into a plant. Okay. So, inside the embryo, I told you one baby embryo or baby plant is there. It will grow into a young plant. Okay, so that process is called germination of seed. And all the seeds will germinate? No. Only some seeds, they get favorable condition, then only it will germinate. Okay. Next, we are going to learn which are these necessary elements for the germination of seed. Okay. Which are they? Do you know? I will tell you. They are air, water and sunlight. These are the three necessary things needed for germination of seed. Okay. Which are they? Water, air and sunlight. These are the three necessary elements. Any one is absent, that seed can't germinate. Okay. Then, what is the function of this water for germination? Do you know? If we sow the seeds in a moist soil, that seed gets water. That water softens the seed coat. Okay. That seed coat is a thick covering. So, this water softens the seed coat. Okay. Then it helps us to the embryo easily come out and softens. Its main function is softens. Softens the seed coat. Then air. From the air, the seed get oxygen for breathe. Okay. From the air to get oxygen for breathe. This germinating stage, the seed need oxygen. Okay. Then sunlight. While germination, the seed need temperature or warmth. This temperature will get from this sunlight. Give warmth or temperature. Okay. So, these are the three necessary elements for germination of seed. Okay. Then this germination of seed is very interesting topic. Okay. So, I will tell you, actually it's like a story. Okay. This germination is very easy to study, but you just understood it's like a story. First, that from the seed coat is very hard, and inside the seed coat cotyledons are there, and inside that cotyledons what we can see? Embryo or baby plant. This embryo or baby plant is sleeping inside the seed. Okay, sleeping. Then this embryo get what? Temperature or warmth from the sunlight. Okay. Then the seed coat also, the seed coat get water from the soil. So, that seed coat becomes softened. That seed coat becomes softens, and this air, from the air it get oxygen. Okay, from the air it get oxygen, and this small baby, what they have that baby get these all things. What happen? In the baby plant there is baby root and baby shoot is there. So, that baby root first become to grow. It grow up downward and go inside, will go inside the soil. Okay. Then what happen? Next part of that baby plant, that baby shoot. The baby shoot also start germination. Then that go upwards. Okay. So, baby root go downwards and baby shoot go upwards. And from this baby shoot, two tiny leaves also will form after few days after from this baby shoot, two tiny leaves will form. And that time at this germinating stage, this baby plant will receive food from this, from where? From this cotyledons. So, the cotyledons give food for this baby plant. Okay. Then while start to form that two leaves, that green leaves will start to make their own food. So, then these leaves will prepare the food for that baby plant. Then what will happen? That almost all the food stored in the cotyledon may be finished. So, that cotyledons may shrink and disappear. So, now baby shoot is there, that in that baby shoot 2 tiny leaves also produce, and baby root will go downwards and tiny roots also will form. So look here, this we can see 2 small leaves, and here small roots also there. It will go into downward into the soil, and then it will form to a plant, young plant. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is germination. Germination means the process by which the seed grow into a new plant. Okay, and 3 necessary elements are needed for germination: air, water and sunlight. Then how this seed germinate the process? I hope all of you understood. Then this is our first lesson, page number, we can see the page number 75 and 76, and in page number 75 one activity is there. You need to arrange the pictures in an order. You have to do, this is an activity for you. You have to do this page number 75 activity 1. And next page also one activity is there, that is soak bean overnight and carefully open that bean seeds. We can see some changes inside that you need to draw in your notebook. Okay, then read and study these 2 pages properly. Study all these points. Okay, thank you.